a 1/4 inch dowel rod, I'm taking some painter's tape and building it up around 2 inches down on the dowel rod. This just helps the barrel to stay in place. Now we're going to go in with our pen wrap, and similar to the others, we're going to crease the top, and then we're going to roll it down onto the stainless steel pen barrel. Now you'll notice there's about 1/8 of an inch extra at the top. You can either trim it before you get started, or you can tap it in with your thumb and kind of fold it in, and then using a heat gun, apply a little bit of heat to the top, and it'll kind of take the form of the pen. Just tap it, tap it, tap it, and then I take an X-Acto knife to trim around the inside of the pen. Now we're going in with our final layer of skim coat, making sure it's nice and thin. Try to go in one direction if possible, just to make sure you don't have any dust or particles stuck in there. That's what gives you the bumps on your pens. Once it's nice and level and glass-like, we're going to go ahead and put it in the lamp for about 2 minutes. And now it's time to put it all back together. Take the smallest piece with the screw top first, put it inside the barrel. Then take the next narrow piece with the split top, and you're going to put that inside the barrel. Next, take your ink and put that inside the barrel. Make sure the spring is flush with the top. Then screw in the pointed tip, and then add the spring to the top of the pen. It should fit in there nice and easy, not forced. Go ahead and screw in the top of the pen, and now we're going to go ahead and add our charm. Taking one of your split rings, add part of your dangle chain to it, and then you're going to add your charm to the split ring as well. Taking another set of pliers, you'll go ahead and close up this jump ring, and now your charm will be ready to adhere to your pen. Go ahead and add a little skim coat to the mat. It's a little easier. Using your silicone brush, pat the resin all the way around the perimeter of the pen, tapping it gently, just making sure that you're providing a nice tight seal between the ring and the pen itself. Use a UV flashlight or lamp as you're turning it to make sure that it's nice and cured all the way around. And before you move on, test your pen to make sure that it clicks nice and easy. Now I'm going to show you what the lovely clay pieces are that came in your ROCKABOX as well. So we're going to use a little bit of UV resin, apply that to the top of your pen, add a piece of clay, and make sure you completely encompass that piece of clay with UV resin. This will glue it to the pen and provide a nice embellishment at the top. Continue this all the way around, or just add one. It's totally up to you and how you want to customize your pen. Using your UV flashlight or your lamp, go ahead and cure that so that it's nice and solid at the top. And next we're going to go ahead and attach our charm. Using a split jump ring, add your pen to the jump ring, then add your dangle chain to the jump ring. Use a second set of pliers to close the ring, and you will have a complete fall pumpkin spice pen.